This is their 7x5 Glueless Finger Coil wig. This one is 20 inches in length. It's 150% in density. Look at those coils. Bleach those knots, and they also pre-cut the lace. And you can tell they plucked out that hairline. It's on. Alright, y'all, bye. Video done. See y'all later. I ain't got nothing else to do. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it fits. It's pretty snug to my head. Deal, but this hairline looks so natural. Come on, focus. This hairline looks so natural. Like, oh my goodness. It looks super good. The curls on this look very, very nice. Look at the coils. Oh, the coils. Starting space is nice and open. If you wanted to move this, you definitely can. I'm not gonna open this up all the way because I do not want to mess up the coils, but boom, scalp. They did that when it came to bleaching the knots on this unit. It's gonna be a really, really simple and easy install. Okay. All right. Now I could show you guys other styles with this unit, especially because the parting space is so good, but I refuse to mess up these coils. I refuse to mess up these coils. You're gonna get this middle part. Okay, she's pretty. She's absolutely gorgeous. Can you move it to the side? Yes. Can you do like a little, you know, half back look? Yes. But is the middle part eating? Yes, it is. And we just gonna keep it just like this. She's gorgeous. And double points because it fits my head. This one is super, super beginner friendly. And yes, I know that curly hair does require work, but the install itself is not going to take you any time because they pretty much already did the work for you. Yes, I did go in with a little bit of mousse and kind of define the back parts because the back wasn't coiled up like that. I also went around the front and recoiled a few pieces. And the hair looks good. How nice and full it is. I did end up putting a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum throughout the hair because of this texture to get a little bit of frizziness. And also I'm noticing, you know what? I'm not really noticing a lot of flyaways. It's just more frizziness. But because of the texture, I actually like the kind of frizzy look up here. It doesn't look perfect. Now I did go around the front of the hairline and add a little bit of my wax, and I used my hot comb to just press it out to make it a little bit more sleek, and then I kind of push the hair up like this. And I didn't put any wax at the top just because, like I said, I like the natural frizzy look. I love the length of this. It's 20 inches. I would not mind if it was sitting up here also. So 18 inches would also be perfect because it's going to hit perfectly. But this length is not too bad at all. Of course, once you stretch it out, it is going to be longer. But with the curls and everything, it's going to sit about right here. The density on this is nice and full. You're not going to have to worry about your track showing or anything, or it feeling thin in the back area. I love it. Because of this little track right here, could you put this in a ponytail? Let's see. You could, but you would probably have to cover that up because it is a little bit thicker, so it's going to show. But it also is laying very flat, so you don't have to. Parting space. It's on point. It's on point. I don't have anything negative to say. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I really didn't get any shedding because the wig was already pre-styled. I did not wash it. It just came looking coiled and ready to go out the pack. So as of right now, I'm not getting any shedding. I'm pretty sure once I wash the wig and I start to styling it a little bit more, I will probably notice some shedding and snags. let's be realistic, it's going to happen. It's curly hair. It's going to happen. So you are going to have to expect some snags, and you want to make sure you take care of the wig, and the wig gonna take care of you. 2 thumbs up for the closure. Okay, for my ladies who do not like to wear frontals, we're keeping it glueless. Yes, you can take this off, put it back on, plop it on your mannequin head. When you wash it, restyle it, let it air dry, and you're good to go. Fluff it apart. And yeah, she is one I would definitely add to cart. I really don't have any cons when it comes to this unit. For it to be ready to wear out the box like that, the install literally took me no time.